So we have the ES200 here. I'm going to start it off on its own speaker and microphone, but the Maxon CA1420 speaker mic fits and works perfectly, which makes me suspicious that it is a Maxon inside. These went with the Apex series CGX hand portables, the crystal control 4-channel ones for business radios. So Mr. Chippie should be out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie. Yeah, Roger, are you in position? Roger. Could do with a bit more lead than that. We're on the cigarette lighter lead, provided with the radio, and we're on the roof aerial to the workshop here, which is that wire coming out of the top where the rubber duck. Roger, got you at the end of the lane. At the moment, I'm on the standard microphone built into the radio.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. Now, we have already done the field test on this radio. And here's the spoiler alert, we actually got 4 miles on it, which is quite good for one with a rubber duck. I think the only other hand portable with a rubber duck that we got that on was the President Randy. So that's really a lot better than most. And bear in mind this radio is 2.5 watts output. Well, this one is, I don't know how many it's supposed to be, but it's 2.5. It's probably sold as 4, but they're probably lying.
Now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that, and then I'm going to swap the mics over. And we'll do that right now. Now these mics were 35 quid at the time, but of course they were aimed at business radio, so you expect them to be more costly. They do come up on eBay from time to time, but usually broken. As you can see, we're sharing the bench today with a repair, so wanted to get this done regardless.
Now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilson.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill, and I'm on the Maxon 1420 speaker mic.
After that, it doesn't sound a lot different to me, but there you go.
Roger. Roger, I've got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on the Eurosonic ES200CB, and it's doing about 2.5 watts over.
Roger that.
Roger. Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, receiving you at the Greyleys turn. Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing, also known as Greyleys level crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you. Okay, 10-10. Okay, well that worked very well, and we'll go over to our base station in a moment, and I'll compare the internal microphone to that Maxon 1420 business radio microphone, which we've successfully used with this today. So microphone's on the bottom. Yes, so I mean, when we did the service to this and discovered it's a fiberglass printed circuit board, that brings it into a whole different league on quality. And it's the first CB hand portal we'd seen when these came out, 89, 91-ish, something like that, with fiberglass printed circuit board. And even today there's quite a few products with SRBP boards, and that can include expensive ham radio equipment. So despite 2.5 watts, I don't know what it's sold as, I'd have to look up some old advertising. It's certainly done the business, and we've got the full 6 miles on the air test. And if you watch the field test where Mr. Chippie goes out with the body cam, and I talked to him via the base station here, as I said, we did get 4 miles on it, which is very unusual to get that when the radio has a rubber duck, which is this centre loaded one here. So we'll go over to our Harrier CBHQ base station, and then we can all see what it sounds like. I'll unplug that mic right now.
Tango 21, testing the Eurosonic ES200CB on its internal microphone into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Tango 21, testing the Eurosonic ES200CB, now with the Maxon CA1420 speaker microphone plugged into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as ever, thanks for watching.